Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Stars Edutain. If you wanted to get updated with the programming languages like Python, C++, Java, and other one, etc., you have to subscribe my channel. And if you subscribe, please click the bell icon also for the notifications. So in this video, I'm going to show how to execute the first program in Python. How to execute the first program in Python. Yes guys, the first program in Python. So I want to demonstrate the first program in Python. So I just wanted to print the hello world statement. To do that, I just need the print function. Print out whatever you want to be. Hello world, I wanted to print hello W-R-L. Yes guys, this I wanted to print in the output statement. So I just click enter and it is printed. Yes, the first programming you have done. The first line of your Python program has done. And it is very easiest to learn. Python is very easiest and the most fundamental languages to learn. Today, the Python growing in the IT industry is as high as the first language, that is Python itself. Python is the most beneficial language, that is beneficial language in which you could benefit yourself by learning this language, a language which helps you to get more income in the future. So you should have to learn that language. In order to learn that language, please stay tuned with my channel and subscribe to my channel as possible as you could, and share my channel to all the members of your family, friends, and everywhere else. So thank you so much guys for being with me. This is the first programming in the Python. So I want to make you learn the programming from beginner to the advanced. So thank you so much everyone.